What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great and welcome all to cilinixfxcapital and to this video in which we will do a quick price analysis and a price prediction on Zcash, or the abbreviation is ZEC. Yeah, that's what to say it. Yeah, I mean, I thought it would be interesting to take a look at Zcash right now and do a quick prediction on it, since it's bullish today. It's up 13.5%. Volume is absolutely amazing, but the volume of Zcash always is relatively high, I think, at least. It's now 350 million, a lot of money. It's 20% of the market cap. That's great as well. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this was last analysis. It was actually quite funny because this last analysis actually was also true for this. We managed to, when we broke that level at around 120, we managed to get up to the lower bound of this level right here and retraced all the way down from there, on which we found quite a lot of support. So, to be honest, the prediction right now, or the analysis right now, is kind of the same, but there are more possibilities right now. It's the same if we do manage to break $120. If that happens, I think we're going up to this level, so between 129 and 132 again. So that's the lower bound of the level. Because I think if you compare this with the other times we hit it, right now we have a lot of bearish fundamentals, a lot of uncertainty and fear in the market, so the market circumstances aren't great. But nonetheless, I think if we break that 120, we can easily get up to, as I said, 129, 132. And I do expect some resistance off of there. Probably dropping down to 118 again, and then depending on the fundamentals, we're probably gonna find some support, but depending on the fundamentals, we either consolidate on top of that or find support and drop down to the $100 level again. Because to be honest, I mean, we haven't broken 120 yet. When I did the analysis, we were actually more bullish. But if we don't manage to close above it, then we're probably dropping down to 113 again. And I do think from that 113, we can break that 120 in the next couple of days. But then this whole analysis obviously is a little bit delayed, something like this. So keep an eye out for that as well. That could happen. We haven't broken it yet. And to be honest, to be quite sure of the break, I even feel like we would need to break 121. So yeah, there's that, both scenarios. So either if we do break or if we don't break 119 or 121. I just wanted to give you the scenario for if we actually manage to break this key level, because one time we will have another bull market. And if that happens, I just want you to be prepared. So this big key level, we would really need to break 135 if we would want to break that whole level. And if that happens, the price target is probably between 150 and 148. There's just a strong key level right here, and 150 is also a psychological resistance level. So that is possible. I mean, a lot of cryptos actually today were, how to say this? We're more bullish than I expected. So what happened a lot of the times when Bitcoin dropped down from 40k and we were up to 44k and we dropped down to 40k, very rapidly we would drop down to 36k, but now we're holding quite well at 38, 39k. So we might see some more bullish days soon, which is interesting in my opinion. So just keep an eye out for that. Now at least you know the game plan for if we do break this area. But up until that point, I mean, you know my analysis, and it's basically it. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or anything I said, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.